Hello dear students, today I am going to teach you the format of an email writing. As you know, it is question number 3B and carries 5 marks. The topics for notice and email will always be same. Only the difference is notice is to be displayed on the notice board of your school, colony, society or club. It is to give information to all. An email is for a particular person, or you can say to invite somebody or to inform or inquire about something. The topic will be already given in the question number 3A, that is notice. Let's see the next slide for a complete format. So students, here in this slide I have written all necessary points which you should keep in mind while attempting question number 3B, that is email writing, so that you get full marks. Your email letter begins with a complete email address. Students, email address begins with the post of the receiver, and after the name of the institution, write at the gmail.com or rediffmail.com, any you can write. It carries half mark. Leave space of 1 line. Write the subject. Here to write the word invitation or requesting or inquiring is must. Where do you get this word? You get it in the question itself. So pick up that word from the question. After that, you write the name of the event that you have written in the second line of the notice. Next comes salutation, just like a formal letter. Dear sir or dear madam. Children, pay attention to capital and small letters and punctuation mark. Don't write dear ma'am or any other short forms. Now starts the body of the email, where you get marks for opening and closing sentences. Opening sentence must have the name of the event, same as you have written at other places. For that you get half mark. For the name of the event you get half mark in the opening sentence. After that you have to write other information, and you end your email letter with a humble note, like example is shown here. I look forward to your positive response, or looking forward to your positive response. You get half mark here. Okay, then comes salutation, just like a formal letter. Yours faithfully. You have to write only this, yours faithfully. Y capital, F small, comma. Next line, you write your full name with title. Okay, so children, as you can see here, I have shown everything. The breakup of the marks, breakup of the marks. In the right corner you can see date, time, venue, smaller venue and bigger venue. That means expression. Your email marks are divided into two parts, 3 plus 2. 3 marks you get for format. That I have shown here with red ink. Okay, half, 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 3 places half, half you are seeing. They are the marks for format. 2 marks for expression you get from the body of the email. Means, as you have written in the notice in question number 3A, date, time and 2 places small and bigger, same like notice you have to write here. So for that you get half marks. So half into 4, that is 2 marks. In that manner it is altogether 5 marks. So don't make any mistake here. Don't make any changes in the expression part. Okay, let's see the next slide. Students, I have once again shown here what can be a proper format of an email. See, begin with a proper email ID. Principal Sunbeam School vns@gmail.com. All the letters written in small alphabets. There should be no gap in between. Carries half mark. Leave one line space. Write subject. Invitation to attend the annual day program. Half mark. Leave one line space. Write salutation. Dear Sir. Go to next line. Begin the body of the email. A good opening sentence can be, I would like to inform you that our school is going to celebrate its annual day program. So name of the event should be here. For that you get half mark. Okay. After that you write other important information. Very especially date, time, venue, 2 places. As you have written in the notice. Don't forget it. If you forget, you lose your 2 marks. And your email with a closing sentence like, I look forward to your positive response. Children, learn this sentence. You end your email with this sentence where you get half mark. After 1 or 2 lines space, you write yours faithfully. That is subscription, just like letter. Y capital, F small and comma. Don't make any mistake here. Write full name after that. So all these things are important which help you to score the marks. Other things, whatever you want to write, you write. But don't focus on unnecessary things. Don't waste your time in writing unnecessary things. Okay? But you should keep in your mind your language should also be good. So in this manner, this 5 marks in divided 2 parts. 3 plus 2. 3 is written in pink color. All this is for format. And 2 is with yellow. That shows the information similar which you have written in the notice. In this manner you get full 5 marks. I hope it is clear to you. You do practice again and again and revise it time to time. Thank you.